Max the Mighty, the polite superhero. In the town of Sunnytown lived a little boy named Max who had a big secret. By day, Max was a polite and helpful boy. By superhero time, he became Mighty Max. Mr. Jenkins drops grocery bags on the sidewalk. Apples roll everywhere. Mr. Jerkins said, "Oh no, my groceries." Max arrives in his cape. "Let me help you, sir." Max gently picks everything up and hands the bag back. Mr. Jenkins, "Thank you, Max." "You're welcome, Mr. Jerkins. Have a wonderful day." At school playground, lunchtime shows trash on the ground, kids walking away. This playground needs a hero. Max gathers friends. "Let's clean up together. Teamwork makes the dream work." Meeting a new kid. A shy boy named Mike stands alone near a classroom door. "Hi, I'm Max. I like your shoes. Want to play together?" Max walks up smiling. Mike nods and they run off to play. And Mike is happy now and not shy anymore. At City Hall, Max gets a medal. Mayor holds up a shiny medal in front of cheering crowd, and the mayor said, "Max the Mighty, for your kindness and good manners, we honor you. I just do what's right. Even a little kindness can be a big superpower." Sunnytown learned something special. Being polite, kind, and helpful is the mightiest power of all. This is the end of the story. See you next time.